Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can switch your front camera on Omegle over on an iPhone. So before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's get started. First of all, open up your settings application in your mobile device, and then in here scroll down and look for the application. Look for the camera application. Once you find your camera, tap on it and then scroll down. Then on composition, turn on mirror front camera. Now close your camera settings and then look for Safari. Then tap on Safari. This time on Safari, scroll down and then look for settings for website, and then head over to camera. Now tap on camera in here, click on allow and give it a check mark, and that's it. That's how you can switch your camera on Omegle. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.